I got so embarrassed, Raven, what Tiffany told those other people about me. You know? You think they might find out where I be at?